Sila ang aming 10 hands-on students last January 25, 2025. Ang titindi ng kanilang mga sacrifices just to be able to come and attend our first level hands-on. One of these students is an OFW in Dubai and Qatar for 17 years. And habang nasa training namin siya ay naghihintay ang wife at anak niya for him sa mall. Then the next day, umuwi na agad sila pabalik ng Nueva Ecija. He enrolled sa amin dahil nag-retire na siya from being an OFW and they want to put up their family bakery as a long-term source of income kung saan makakapag-participate ang buong family. All of these students intend to put up their bakeries sa lugar nila. Yung iba, balak lang mag-sell online sa kanilang neighborhood dahil may maliit pang anak. She was forced to retire early to give more attention sa anak niya and she decided to enroll kasi she can easily bake and sell breads from home and earn from home. Another student, sabi niya madami na siya na-enrollan pero hindi siya happy sa quality ng breads na mabilis tumigas. All of these students woke up very early and arrived at our training center very early and all of them left our training center after 8 p.m. na. Sabi nga nila they did not mind at all ang pagod at tuition fee at iba pang gastos dahil sobrang satisfied sila sa natutunan nila and now they feel so much more confident na masisimulan na nila ang kanilang bread business.